In the heart of a small North Carolina town, there are 22 everyday American people with 44 calloused, hard-working hands. Hands that tell the story of one life-sized American dream. For the frigid mornings when a blanket of ice drapes the streets, or the hot summer nights that make an ice-cold drink sweat, we will be there. From the moment the lights turn on at morning dew, to the final turn of the key as the sun sets, we'll be there. Run the air, run the heat, we'll keep it running. It's what we do. Biggs HVAC.